Good morning, Mark's Crypto Corner News, 8:37 on a cold Saturday, November 9th morning. And Crypto Corner News unscripted as always. So, what's going on today? Bitcoin price, crypto, Twitter bearish, says the Twitter people, but is this a crash or just retracement? Oh, it's just up and down. There's always speculation. There surely is. Night follows day after a 3-digit drop in Bitcoin price. Crypto Twitter turns bearish. This time the drop was not insignificant, $500, and the bearish has come hard to bear. Sorry for the pun, I imagine. But is the outlook really so negative, or is CT waiting to buy a dip which isn't coming? Crypto traders, don't wait so long or you're going to lose out. Well, I actually don't know what the price of crypto is at this very moment in time. So, looks like it's 8,800, 8,840 US. Good time to buy, I think. Don't take my financial advice, please. Okay, just a CYA, cover your ass statement there. What's this? Andreessen Horowitz launches crypto startup school. Well, that's cool. Andreessen Horowitz is once again expanding its involvement in the crypto scene. The Silicon Valley VC firm is launching a free startup school for cryptocurrency and blockchain entrepreneurs. Silicon Valley firm expands crypto involvement. The company announced the launch of the A16Z Crypto Startup School via a statement published on its website. Binance now supports Euro, Ruble, and KZT fiat deposits. Okay. Binance announced support for the 3 additional fiat currencies thanks to a new partnership with ADV Cash, or Advanced Cash, is a payment platform that combines prepaid cards, crypto, and fiat features. It has e-wallets in multiple currencies, which allow for easy withdrawals and deposits, regardless of nationality. Okay, so Binance expands its selection of supported fiat currency. Very nice. It is probably the most popular and largest exchange platform for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin deposits on Coinbase will now require only 3 confirmations. Really, just released. Coinbase has just released a new announcement stating that it will reduce the number of confirmation requirements for crypto assets on its platform. The United States' largest crypto exchange has brought in some welcome changes to its platform. Coinbase has just announced that it has changed the confirmation requirements to 4 different cryptocurrencies. Alright. Well, if you've got Coinbase, I suppose you could log in and find out. I could do that. So, here's the government printing money. QE Infinity. 37 central banks participate in stimulus and easing practices. What does that mean? Quantitative easing, like printing money to, is that what they're doing? Since the last week of October, a great number of central banks have been slashing interest rates, joining the massive synchronization of monetary easing worldwide. This year, more than 24 banks have used easing tactics, and in the last 2 weeks alone, central banks from Costa Rica, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, have all done the same thing. Okay. Backed Bitcoin futures set new record amid BTC dump. What is bullish for some is bearish for others. Backs physically settled Bitcoin futures contracts continue to gather momentum, but the asset itself has retreated back below 9,000. Yes, 8,800 I mentioned, did I? Yes, 88.40. Below 9,000 as the bears get back in the game. Bitcoin price falls through support following a fortnight of range-bound trading in the mid 9,000 zones. Okay, so there we go. And what have we here? Shopping cart. Crypto-based commerce spikes 65% in 7 months. Really? Commerce fueled by cryptocurrencies has once again started to grow. Data collected by blockchain forensics company Chainalysis shows a significant increase of volume in the first half of the year. The positive change coincided with the remarkable market recovery that followed last year's prolonged crypto winter. Also read, Turkey becomes the latest nation to blah blah blah. Oh boy, there's a happy bear. How crypto winters of Bitcoin past compare today? Well, winter just started. Cryptocurrency and Bitcoin proponents have been patiently waiting to see if crypto winter is returning, as the recent price decline has shaken investors. Digital assets have been meandering aimlessly over the last week, and in order to gain some perspective, it's always good to study the last decade of previous bear market trends. Well, this hasn't even been 2 decades since Bitcoin has been about, maybe just, maybe 20 years. That's pushing it. Okay. Holders of the digital yuan will not be paid interest. China has been sending mixed signals about its preparedness to issue a national crypto. Despite the new blockchain push, there is still no time frame for the anticipated launch of the new digital yuan. And a few details have been revealed so far. However, a senior official from China's central bank, who is really a government official, is going to lie through his teeth because they're communists. And I wouldn't trust the Chinese government for anything. Yeah. They're only doing it in their interest of their own government. Okay. Arweave raises $5 million round led by a 16Z multi-coin capital and Union Square Ventures. What does that all mean? The number one podcast plugin for this is an ad or something. Okay. Arweave is one step closer to its mission of being New Library of Alexandria, thanks to a successful fundraising round led by a 16Z. What is that? With participating investors such as Multicoin Capital and Union Square Ventures. Arweave aims to create a sustainable perma-web, which is essentially a decentralized and permanent version of the web, where content is decentralized and uncensored. Could be a clean version of the dark web. I don't know. Just a lot of things on this blog. Today's news. It's all global news. It's good for Coinbase and Binance. So Binance and Coinbase are expanding their businesses. Okay, so that's good. And there you have it. Today's Crypto Corner News on a Saturday, 8:45 now, and it's still the 9th of November. Put your email there, get some good information, join my group, and we'll talk to you again soon. Watch out for my posts. I post things during the week that could be of interest to you and your crypto life. And thanks for watching and listening. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.